The Jio Phone. Did you know it can do this? Or even this? Yep, this isn't some trick or hack. This is official WhatsApp running on the Jio Phone 1. Excited to know more? I sure am. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech. Let's keep that intro short and jump straight into the video. If you're new to the channel, here at C4E Tech, we run a monthly giveaway. Cut to it. There's also a link in the description below. And if you do end up liking this video, click that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Let's now get started. So I know you guys are dying to see WhatsApp on the Jio Phone, but first, let me show you guys a couple of other cool things. First up, we've got YouTube. And yes, this is a full-fledged implementation of the YouTube app that you see on the Jio Phone. You can watch all your favorite videos, including C4E Tech content, hopefully that's your favorite stuff, in full screen no less. And of course, you can even like and subscribe to your favorite channel. So if you haven't subscribed to C4E Tech yet, good chance you can do that now. You can even head down to the comment section, start a conversation with your favorite YouTuber. Now, Jio has changed the landscape for Indian YouTubers, and with Jio Phone getting a YouTube app, of course there are a few bugs here and there in the UI, but this is just the beta version. By the time the consumer version is rolling out, all these should be ironed out. Now, from one Google app to another, we have Google Maps. Yep, this is the same old maps that you're used to. And while the UI may be a bit clunky, the functionality remains almost the same. You can see your exact location thanks to onboard GPS, and you can even navigate to your destination. Pretty cool, right? But then I know what all of you guys are waiting for. WhatsApp. Well, it's here, and it works pretty much like WhatsApp does on any other device. The best thing? You can send and receive voice messages pretty easily. Nice, since typing on the T9 keypad, well, let's just say it's been years since I've done that. There's also an option to send images from WhatsApp on the Jio Phone. And of course, as this too is a beta version of the app, we have a few features missing. But the core messaging functionality of WhatsApp, now that's here, and that's what most of us were waiting for, right? So that's about it for this quick little video on the Jio Phone. Do you guys want us to cover the Jio Phone too? Are you interested in seeing what's with it? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to see us do it, we will get it done. Personally, I'm glad to see that WhatsApp has arrived on the Jio Phone, since this means that I can realistically use it if I ever decide to take a no smartphone kind of break for a week, a challenge of sorts. Would you guys want to see that? Is that something that would interest you? We're always experimenting with a lot of stuff now, so let us know. Again, like, dislike, comment, do all that stuff. Your feedback does matter. And if you did find this video useful, share it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. If you've already subscribed, click that bell icon to make sure you get notified every time a new video goes live on C4E Tech. And now it's time I bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.